installation and service of a power vent water heater, there's a few different error codes that you can see. If you don't see an error code, it's a blank LED status. One, first be sure that it's turned to the on position. But two, and very importantly, make sure you have 120 volts. Remember, this is going to plug into the outlet, so your standard wall outlet, and you're going to measure for voltage, 120 volts AC from your ground to your hot lug in that outlet. If you have power, the water heater should be working properly. Other error codes that are not likely going to have you replace a part, but are just normal operation, if you will. One flash with a brief pause. It's in standby mode. It's telling you the water's hot, nothing needs to happen. As you use hot water, it'll next go to a bright dim, almost a strobe effect. That strobe is telling us normal operation, the fan should be running, burner should be running, and shortly you'll have hot water.